Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB Max, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this tablet through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset, and then select Factory Data Reset. Now it gives you a pop-up right here letting you know that this will remove everything that is listed right here. So if you would like to keep some of those things, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Probably the most important things that it removes are things like photos, music, and user data. So like I said, if you want to keep some of this, make a backup copy of it somewhere else. Now assuming you have already made that backup or you simply don't want to, then select Set Device, erase everything, and this will now begin the process. This entire thing should take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with the setup screen for this tablet. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your tablet however you like. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.